What's up, YouTube? Coming to give y'all an update on the Elko today. I had to bum a ride because, you know, I ain't got no ride, so I had to bum a ride for my brother. That's Q right there. Y'all gonna see him a lot. Y'all keep following. But yeah, I got an update. It's gonna be like a little surprise. Just check in with y'all, show y'all what's next. But it's gonna be a short video, so I'm gonna have to add it to another video because I gotta make it to work in a few. I'm running late, but I had to come get my baby, so we finna be rocking. I'm gonna show y'all this. It's gonna be dope. I got a new update right there. Tell me how y'all like it. Ooh wee. Ooh, that thing nice. Look at the top. Ooh wee. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like it. You got to pop out on them boys. This thing is perfect. Man, hey, I'm excited as hell. I know y'all see that more. Man, hey, we gonna be coming 2020 summer. We ain't playing no games. I want to show y'all the shop too. But yeah, man. Yes, it's that mug beautiful. And it's just a start. We still got a lot to go. But like I said, I'm gonna combine this video with putting my lights in and stuff, because this video gonna be short. I gotta get to work. But this spot is called Vinyl Top Specialist. Hey man, they right. They did it perfect. They did it in 2 days. I dropped this thing off Wednesday. Can't pick it up Friday. Hey, they nice. They real nice. Easy. My paint still the same. You can get a paint job, then come do it. They nice. I get them a 10 star, whatever, 5-star rating. They nice, man, for real. Check them out. I'll try to put the address on their page if I can find it. I mean, I can put an address on here if I can find it. Vinyl Top Specialist. There's the address and stuff. And there she go right there.
Hello, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ooh-wee! That thing hard. Put a hole in that boy. Ooh-wee! Yes, sir. So yeah, man, we cruising now. But I gotta go to work, so we finna park this bad boy so I can get to work. But yeah, man, I'm excited. The roof on this thing. Ugh. Hit that boy! Hey man, say man. I'm gonna go ahead and ride with the roof up today. Hey man, say man. Check man out! Nigga happy, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, I gotta take it to the shop, get that you hear that? You hear that? That's gotta go. That's the next stop. I'm gonna take it to the shop tomorrow, and I'm just combine that video with this video, and we gonna get right. You hear me? We gonna get right. You hear me? Alright, man. Peace, YouTube. Subscribe, man. Don't forget that. Subscribe. Man. Just getting to the next shop, man. It's a quick process, man. Right now we at the interior shop. About to get my car stripped out. Got the roof in there. Man, this process gotta be quick. I got everything fixed though. Got them lights put in, but remember I said they was like shipped from China or something, so they probably be janky. I was right. The little Bluetooth pad, it ain't working. I can't change my I can't change the lights, so they stuck on blue. Right now they gutting it out, about to get my interior out. Show y'all. This is what I'm talking about. They stuck on blue, I can't change them. I got everything fixed on it though. Got the roof put in. I didn't figure how to work it. It's on point. Who told me? My dog Chevy. Little trip right there. Hey, push that roof back. Click the key over. Got the roof in there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we getting yanked out right now. We get my shit yanked out right now. Man, everything got to be a quick process. We want to get it done. It's got to be a quick process. I had to bring mine to the interior man. He ain't have room for me. So, had to pay a little extra. You know what I'm saying? Skip the line a little bit. So he gonna yank me out, get everything done, then shoot me in the shop when it's ready. And then I got everything fixed. No more squeaking, no more fuel pump. Got a new fuel pump, title belt. See how quiet she is? She quiet now. Hit it! She quiet now. Everything right, man. Everything gotta get right. They coming to yank me out. Ooh-wee. Turn it on, it worked. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yes, sir. It's quiet. Way quieter.
You know, you sound like you got a big boy in there.
It don't.
Till you hit it.
Till you hit it, then that motherfucker talking to you.
Yeah, that's crazy.
But yeah, man, we've been having little problems, but I got everything done. This is all in what? Since my last video was like, what, a week ago, a week and a half ago? Yeah, everything getting right, man. Got the roof in there. Everything running right. Hit the gas, it'll gonna shake that ass, you hear me? But everything else right, man. Got a couple of things to take care of. Right now we doing the interior. I mean, I'm getting the interior, some of it yanked out, some of it, so you can start wrapping. I'm trying to get my interior done by March 1st. What's today, like, what? January 29th? 29th? Trying to get that done by March 1st. Be in a paint shop by March 15th. Everything got to get right. We got to move, man. We got to really move, but I'm definitely happy how it turned out. It turned out too dope. Everything turned out just the way it was supposed to. Man, they left me busted and disgusted. Took all my little joy away from me for now. But it'll get greater later. got the took all my metal on door panels, all that back there. Took all that. But it's gonna get right though. Ooh wee! I ain't getting no action in this no time soon. But it'll get great. But yeah, man, everything going right as far as time frames. Like, as far as time frames, man, I'm knocking it down. It's gonna be the paint shop next. Then we gotta go to the rim shop. I don't know where I'm going to get my rims. I don't even know my paint man yet, but it's gonna come soon. Soon we gotta figure it out. I'm on this a tight time schedule. I can't be playing if I want to get it done by July. But I see it. It's definitely gonna be a close race. But I think I'm gonna make it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that, man.